Here are some very important results we must understand. In the first quadrant, 90 minus, this is the first quadrant. We will see in on this line here. This is y-axis. Here pi by 2 when we reach here pi by 2, and here is a 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree here, pi by 2 or 90 degree here. So in the first quadrant here, 90 minus x, we can use the formula sine x minus y is sine pi by 2 into cos x minus cos pi by 2 into sine x. See here, cos pi by 2 is 0, so this becomes 0, and sine pi by 2 is 1, so the value is cos x. Therefore, sine is positive here, and value sine changes to cos in the first quadrant. Now see, cos pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 into cos x plus sine pi by 2 into sine x. This is sine pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2, so it becomes 0 and the value is sine x. Again we see cos is changing to sine, sine is changing to cos, and cos is changing to sine, and both are positive. In the first quadrant, all the t ratios have positive value. Now because of this, tan pi by 2 minus x is sine upon cos, so the value will be cos x upon sine, means cot x. So tan value in the first quadrant again positive, and tan change to cot x. Cot x is reciprocal, so this is again uh, cos upon sine, which is sine upon cos, so this is equal to tan x. So cot is changing to tan x. Secant is reciprocal of cos, so value is 1 upon sine, means cosecant x. Cosecant x is reciprocal of this, so the value is 1 upon cos, means secant x. So in the first quadrant, we can see here all the t ratios are positive, and t ratios are changing: sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. This is the first quadrant where the values at this line. Now see, in the second quadrant here, we can use the formula sine x plus y, means sine pi by 2 into cos x plus cos pi by 2 into sine x. This is a 0, this is 1, so value is cos x. And here cos pi by 2 into cos x minus sine pi by 2 into sine x. Again sine pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2, so this becomes 0, and this becomes minus 1 into sine is minus sine x. Now see, sine is again changing to cos, cos is changing to sine, but sine is positive in the second quadrant, cos is negative in the second quadrant. Because of this, tan will again be cot x, but negative because of this sine. Cot is tan x but negative. Secant x is cosecant x but negative. Cosecant is positive but secant, because cosecant is reciprocal of this. So we see here in the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive, others are negative. Again all the t ratios are changing. Now see in the third quadrant here, sine 3 pi by 2 is again same value, minus 1. Now we can write here sine 3 pi by 2 into cos x minus cos 3 pi by 2 into sine x. In the unit circle, the value is 0 here, and this is minus 1. This value is minus 1 because in the unit circle the coordinate are 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. We can remember here minus 1 comma 0. Here the coordinate are 0 comma minus 1, means Sine 270 degrees minus 1 and cos 270 degrees 0. So this value is 0, this value is minus 1. The value total is minus cos x. And here cos 3 pi by 2 into cos x plus sine 3 pi by 2 into sine x. So this value is minus 1, this value is 0. So total value is minus sine x. Now see, in the third quadrant, sine and cos both are negative. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. Now because of this, tan is sine upon cos means minus minus become plus. So cot x. This is sine minus will cancel and it will be sine upon cos means tan x, again positive. This is reciprocal of this. So the reciprocal of this minus cosecant x. Cosecant 3 pi by 2 is reciprocal this, which is minus cos x. This is minus secant x. Again see in the fourth quadrant here, sine 3 pi by 2 plus, we will use the formula sine x plus by means sine x cos by means sine 3 pi by 2 into cos x plus cos 3 pi by 2 into sine x. Now see 3 pi by 2 here, 270 is minus 1 value, and cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So this will be minus 1, this will be 0. So this total will 0 and minus 1 into cos is minus cos x. Minus cos x. Again see in this formula cos x plus by formula cos 3 pi by 2 into cos x minus sine 3 pi by 2 into sine x. This is minus 1, this is 0. So it becomes, this term will become 0, minus minus will plus, is equal to sine x. Here in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive and cos is changed to sine. Sine is changed to cos, but sine value is negative. Because of these two values, tan will be minus cot x, cot will be minus tan x, secant x be plus cosecant x, and cosecant x will be secant x, but negative sign. So these are the important values of the T ratios in this line, 90 plus minus 270 plus and minus. So these are the values.